Welcome to Introduction to Hypothesis Testing. Hypothesis testing is a process used that you collect sample statistics to test a claim about a value of a population statistic. The main objective of this chapter is to develop the ability to conduct hypothesis tests for claims about population proportions, population means, or population standard deviations. Often hypothesis tests are used in conducting, for example, recalls of items. What they need to do is take a sample, for example, when people start complaining about an item, and they make some tests and they test it against some parameter. And if it fails, then the item is often recalled. So part one is stating a hypothesis. To test a population parameter, we need to carefully verify or state a pair of hypotheses, one that represents a claim and the other its complement. When one of these hypotheses is false, the other must be true. Either hypothesis, the null or the alternative, may present the original claim. We will identify the null and the alternative hypothesis from the given claim and determine how to express both in symbolic form. The null hypothesis is represented by H sub 0. It always contains equality. Because it always contains equality, we're going to use the symbol less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, or the equal to symbol. This is what we assume the population parameter to be. So we're going to assume the claimed mean, the claimed proportion, or the claimed standard deviation is going to equal some value. This is going to be the claimed standard deviation, mean, or proportion. The alternative hypothesis, H sub A or H sub 1, never contains equality. Since it doesn't contain equality, it's just going to be either simply the less than symbol, the greater than symbol, or the not equal to symbol. The alternative is if the null hypothesis is not true. So for example, if it was less than or equal to, then it could be greater than. If it was greater than or equal to, it could be less than. And then equal to and not equal to are also paired together.